Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Down at the Uni. Get some fuel in her, put the body parts back on together and then tax her and see how she runs. DIY funnels, man, I'm telling you. £7 for 4 litres, something like that. Got fuel everywhere. Pew. So yeah, taxing your vehicle, dead easy in this country. Get your V5, you'll need the document reference number, which is on the top right hand corner of these new ones. I think on the old ones it's on the reverse of it, and obviously registration number. And then you head over to the DVLA website. So yep, I've got a V5C registration logbook printed in my name, which I do. Right. So today's the 31st. I want to tax it for tomorrow so I can drive it on the road tomorrow. Otherwise, if you tax it for the month, the beginning of the month before, it'll charge you a whole month in advance for how long we got left of this day? 12 hours, if that. So yeah, if you can't wait, then you've got to pay it. That is what it is. It's all just to extract money. I don't know where this money goes. Not on the roads, that's for sure. Ooh, £14 starlet tax is £14. So continue. I remember when it used to be £120 a year. Them increases have hit us hard, bro. Gotta say, I love these touchscreen laptops. Like that, it's set up. Boom. She is taxed, baby. Finished. Right, see how she does. First time on the road, baby. Forget I have harnesses in this. It's like I never got out of the car. Oh, indicators on. My indicator's not working. Indicators work. It was something stupid. I hadn't plugged in the hazard light switch. Believe it or not. The whistle is not good. Not making any boost. No boost. I've got something wrong here. Probably something stupid. Usually is when it comes to clutch. I don't know what that is. After wondering why I'm making no boost, I found out the reason. Yep, that is a boost pipe that has blown off. And I can only imagine I didn't tighten it. Flipping heck, what a legend. And it's just started to pee it down. Let's hope that stays there. There is a really quite a bad leak on the radiator, which I need to jack it up and have a quick look to see where it's stemming from. Hopefully it's not the core. If it is the core, it's a new radiator, or I can take it somewhere to be repaired, but there's no guarantees that it'll stay. So that might be new radiator time. Yeah, jack it up and have a quick look. What I'm going to do is take this off and put a better Jubilee clip on it, because I'm not entirely satisfied that this clamp is doing anything. So there shouldn't be any pressure in there. Release it by taking the rod hose off. Just in case box, because just in case. Okay, so she works. She needs new tyres, put it that way. I'm getting no grip whatsoever. I need to sort out the rad fan because my little bridging of the AC connector didn't work. That's pretty much it. I would put a radio back in it, but nah, I love the noises too much. I need to wire in an AFR, which I'll probably put on the top here, and then a hole in the exhaust for it to read it, and then see what my air fuel ratio is like. But yeah, till next time. See you later guys, take it easy.